applications in my phone because I don't like to have my phone full of stuff. But I think I have some cool apps that I would like to share with all of you. I invite you to subscribe to my channel if it's your first time watching, and of course to thumb up the video if you like it. Let's go into the video. This is the organization that I have in my phone. As you can see, I don't have a lot of stuff, but well, let's gonna start in the first screen. I have a message, I have calendar, photos, camera, weather, notes, clock, app store, reminders that I use so much reminders. It saved my life a lot of times. FaceTime, I love it. Gmail, I used to use the more Gmail than the mail of the iPhone. Google Translate for me is so cool because I used to use it for translate from Spanish to Serbian, for example. Hola, zdravo. I don't know. ¿Cómo estás? I need to say that I know how to say this. I am just typing something easy. Kako se, you see it. Well, and then I have Afterlight, and Afterlight is the best editor for pictures ever. Well, Afterlight and VSCO. Then I have YouTube, that if you don't know it, I have a channel and you can subscribe. I will leave it here in some part. I have YouTube and I have Studio is for the administration of the channel, for having some control to not go to the computer. You have it all in the phone and it's much better. Then I have a Messenger from Facebook, settings, Google, Facebook, Move It. Move It for me is a good app. I use it so much when I'm in Belgrade or when I'm in the street and I don't know how to go to some place. I just put my location and then I put where I want to go, and then Move It send me the best option to go there by buses or tramway or wherever. I have WhatsApp, I have Instagram, that if you don't follow me, you can follow me. I have Viber. Viber, people in Spain don't use Viber, but in Serbia everybody have it more than WhatsApp, and I have it for talk with my friends from Serbia that they don't have WhatsApp. Then I have also Snapchat. Hey! Snapchat can do like, I don't know, it's cool. And then we're going to the second screen where I have this folder that is the boring folder, because are all the stuff that the iPhone needs to have but nobody cares about it. Then I have photography, I have this We Hearted, and for me this is so cute app. I use it for inspiration. It's so similar to Pinterest, and you can find everything you want, and for me this is so beautiful. Then I use Camera 360. It's so great for selfies because it has some filter that it makes your skin so great. I don't know, for me, I really love it. I use Pinterest like everybody for inspiration, and I don't know, it gives me some ideas about decoration, about makeup. For me it's so cool. Then I have VSCO, Viscocam or whatever, and for me it's one of the best editors for Instagram or Facebook to have nice pictures. And then I have a Maldive. Maldive is for make a photo collage, and for me it's so great on birthday when I want to make some collage for my friends, or I don't know, things like that. Then I have a fashion folder, and it's where I have like Zara, Stradivarius, ASOS, Pull&Bear, and Clue, that I don't know what it's doing here, but it's better to have it here than outside and everybody can see it, I don't know. And this is for menstruation, and I was thinking that this app will never work, but it works, and it works so good, and I like it. Then I have for the music, Shazam, Spotify, music. Spotify for me is the best option in the world. I have like I have the premium, and for me is the best thing ever because you can find all the music that you love. It's here. And then I have this app, Dream Days, is for make a countdown. For example, when you are waiting for something or someone, you can put the date when the date of that day, and it will make a countdown until that day. And then we are going to the first screen, and I have phone, mail that I use it, Gmail more than this mail, Safari, and my bank to have my money under control. And this is what I have with my phone. I don't have a lot of stuff, but I think I have cool stuff. I like what I have, and I think I really don't need more in my phone. If you want to see how I edit my pictures for Instagram, just let it down in the comment. Thank you for watching, and vi vemos in the next video. Ciao!